अरे टक्कर हुई उस्मान उस्मान पुश ईशान किशन ओहो गाइस fight is happening how can you push a player like this Rohit Sharma
Yeah.
standing next to Wasim Akram Indian standing
Yeah.
next to Pakistani let's protest
Let us protest because the only people who are not shaking hands are the cricketers. Everybody else
Yeah.
is just hanging out.
oh Bumrah is doing the look on Saim Ayub dude he did the look
Yeah,
he did the
yeah,
look
yeah, yeah.
he did the look dude अभी
Bumrah
इसके
always
बारे
does.
में ये अभी इसके बारे में 8 लाख मीम्स बनने वाले दिस इज
Ah.
लिटरली द पेटी
Yes,
शिट
yes, yes.
भाई ईशान किशन नहीं होता वी वुड बी डिस्ट्रॉयड राइट नाउ
No, right now somewhere out there, Ishan Kishan is sitting with Gautam Gambhir saying, "तू ध्यान दे काम पे."
ये आपको मालूम है अमीर रिंकू गरीब रिंकू वाला कंसेप्ट?
नहीं ये क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है
ऐसा बोलते हैं कि जब से मतलब जब रिंकू गरीब था तब बोलते बहुत अच्छा खेलता था और अभी अमीर है तो इतना अच्छा नहीं खेलता.
how they played. I was like, okay,
No,
maybe don't shake anybody.
Pakistan
But
has
did you see what they did? They couldn't shake hands of Pakistani, so they're shaking their own team staff's hands and walking up the crowd. 11 लोग का line up करके they're like, hey, good player, जाओ, they're hugging each other like, bro, this is yeah. Bhai, I love the fact that Hanuman Kind did an opening ceremony in Colombo. Hanuman Kind did an opening ceremony. I'm like, boss, this is one match in the World Cup. Salman Ali Aga is opening the bowling, boss. Crazy. Very, dude, listen, say whatever you want. I honestly think very interesting tactics by Pakistan. Very interesting tactics. I honestly think interesting tactics. Chalo, we are about to go, friends. Yeah. Bhai, 1 run in 4 balls is honestly against India, against this batting lineup is crazy. Oh shit. Out. Fuck. I knew this was going to happen. I knew this was going to happen, dude. Abhishek Sharma, after all this hype, 2 ducks in the World Cup, boss. Back-to-back ducks in the World Cup. Gul CC says, why is he getting duck on every alternate match? I mean, technically, he's getting a duck in every match he's played so far in the World Cup. That is his World Cup record right now is 0. But chalo, apna hero aa gaya from Champions Trophy. Arey, there you go. Shine Shah Afridi 6. Pace on the ball. Goodbye. See you later. यही चाहिए भाई. Our openers are just used to this shit, dude. We're like, boss, यही चाहिए. ईशान mood में आ गया भाई. He's like, चलो. And Shaheen has already started bowling slower balls, I think. Chauka. Haha. Very well edged by Tilak Verma. Superb edge. यही इसी edge से end में आपको ये निकलता है. This is the kind of edging that leads to great success in life. अरे टक्कर हुई उस्मान pushed ईशान किशन ओहो guys fight is happening how can you push a player like this how can you not see behind what's happening और ये honestly ये अर्नब के अभी शो में आएगा it'll be like violence was indulged in by the Pakistan side on India and we responded in the kind that we only can with a victory we don't need your hustle and your pushing अभी इस मैच के बाद आई प्रपोज कि वी शुड हैव अ एमएमए मैच ईशान किशन वर्सेस विकेट कीपर और विकेट कीपर अरे दोनों विकेट कीपर ही है वैसे तो दिस इज गुड देयर विकेट कीपर पुशिंग आवर विकेट कीपर हाउ डेयर ही डू सच अ थिंग dude it'll have been so funny कि वो छोटी सी टकरार के बाद ईशान किशन इज लाइक इट्स ओके एंड ही शेक्स हिज हैंड that would be such a nice comeback boss no pace on the ball at all no pace on the ball at all Absolutely no pace on the ball. I'm telling you, boss, 140 हो गया. We have a chance to win this match because it's really slow and they're trying to do very intentionally कि भाई उसके बाहर डालो बॉल. 24 of 14 ईशान किशन 29. Oh, dude, he killed Tilak Verma. He killed Tilak Verma, boss. चौका जाता रे तिलक वर्मा क्या अपना खुद का फील्डिंग कर रहा है तिलक वर्मा. I love you तिलक वर्मा, but stop feeding for the opposition. ये क्या किया तूने ये तो चौका था भाई oh there you go ईशान किशन man on a mission he's done it अबरार अहमद की पहली डिलीवरी पे छक्का there you go चौका by ईशान किशन yeah boy 10 runs of the over ईशान किशन 35 of 20 bro a strike rate of 175 killing it ooh chauka well played again Tilak Verma is using his outside edge with magnificence. Pakistan is playing quite decently so far, boss. 52 for 1 and 6 overs. I would say reasonable so far. Reasonable for this thing. I feel bad for Abhishek Sharma. इतना hype के बाद like this thing. Tilak's outside edge game is a dream for Kohli. Yeah. 180 मारेगा. Don't worry. My God, boss. तुम लोग बहुत ही optimistic चल रहे हो यहाँ पर. Oh, using the pace and all. अबरार का pace use करके भाई कि ईशान किशन इज लाइक तिलक वर्मा की आउटसाइड एज से मुझे याद आया कि मेरा भी बैट है और मैं बैट से विदाउट आउटसाइड एज चौका मार सकता है. वेरी गुड. See, this is called learning from your teammates. It's very smart. Oh man, Ishan Kishan is doing it, brother. What a knockback player. Bhai, look at this arc of this boy's career, okay? Literally, barely a year back, people were questioning his discipline कि तू party कर रहा है दुबई में, all this bullshit. And I've always been a fan of him. Even उस time, I was like, this is bullshit. It's a guy going through bloody mental health issues and you're fucking around with him. So great redemption arc for, and then Pandya के साथ party कर रहा है, training कर रहा है, bullshit man, nonsense. So superb job by Ishan Kishan. Whoa! Ishan Kishan, dude, what a knock. Insane knock. 63 of 33 balls. That is a knock, boss. Colombo is part of Mumbai Indians franchise. Colombo is part of Sunrisers Hyderabad. Sinhalese rising. Oh, wow. What a knock, boss. Crazy knock. Mr. Dalal, what do you think of Mr. Ishan Kishan's batting? Crazy.
Freaking top form. Also, I want to, on behalf of Ishan Kishan, I want to thank Abhishek Sharma for getting out of the first over so that he has all the pressure in the world. At toss, I told my wife, I have a sinking feeling Abhishek Sharma pehli over mein out hoega. And she said,
Acha.
why? Why? And I said, I swear, I was like, they have so many spinners. If they open with spinners, it just takes 3 balls to frustrate a 23-year-old.
Dude, I kind of agree with that. I also think like it's kind of interesting that I mean I hate to compare myself to these proper international cricketers. तो मैं ओवल मैदान में एक मैच खेल रहा था, ठीक है? तो एक बंदा है who's a Air India, plays for Air India, fast bowling guy, right? Now I'm batting as an amateur cricketer and I hit him for 3-4 just using his pace, chauka.
Yeah.
And then one guy comes and he bowls so slowly that सबकी गांड फट गई. ये सब
नहीं,
सोच
कुछ
रहे
नहीं
कि
कर
भाई कैसे प्ले करो इसको.
तुम स्लो बॉलिंग का इस दुनिया में कोई इलाज नहीं है पेशेंस के अलावा.
Just to tell you, अभी तक क्या चल रहा है? ईशान किशन is on 72 of 37 out
Yeah.
of 82 runs.
No.
I don't think I've seen any India Pakistan match or any this thing where बाकी ने 8 ओवर के बाद 10 रन बनाए.
No, also it's right now Pakistan versus Ishan Kishan. Ishan Kishan scoring 100 in a T20 game would be the greatest ever wicketkeeper comeback in human history.
I think human history, I don't know, maybe Gilchrist made a comeback once.
Yeah.
और धोनी का तो धोनी को कभी ड्रॉप तो किया ही नहीं.
हाँ, कभी go down ही नहीं हुआ है धोनी का तो.
Yeah. What about Rahul Dravid as a wicket keeper?
Rahul Dravid as a rare wicketkeeper. So can I tell you this? Saim Ayub, I really think is a fantastic. I think he's one of the top all-rounders in the world.
He's the number 1 T20 all-rounder.
Yeah. I mean, if I was not saying statistically, I was saying like just in terms of craft. Of course, that's a great shot that Ishan Kishan just turned around and reverse sweeped him
Insane!
over.
What a shot! Almost a 6, dude.
Almost a 6. मतलब ये square cut मारा है उसने left hander का square cut.
Tilak Verma has the best job right now. बस ईशान
अरे
किशन को स्ट्राइक दो फिर
यार,
enjoy
bro.
करो. आउट हो गया क्या?
Saim Ayub, bro, I'm telling you now.
Oh, well bowled. Good ball.
Just it dies on you, man. It dies on you. That is ball.
But still, what a knock. Forget everything.
knock.
Superb knock, boss.
Class knock.
Yeah, live
40
and die by
balls,
the sword.
77.
Superb.
So side note, इतना jewelry पहन के इतना रन मारा.
I think it might be कि अपने आप को बैलेंस करने के लिए कि भाई इतना तो चाहिए होता है.
इतने गहने पहन के मैं शूटिंग नहीं कर पाता हूँ.
Have you heard the story about Usman Tariq? His story of his career arc was inspired by MS Dhoni. Have you heard the story?
No, please tell me. I really want to know this story.
So apparently, story is कि Usman Tariq was working as a salesman for some car company or a purchase company, whatever, in Dubai. उसने छोड़ दिया कि भाई क्रिकेट वगैरह नहीं होने वाला है मेरे साथ. 2016 he went and saw MS Dhoni's movie, okay, and he saw the movie and it inspired him so much. He like, I'm going to give this another shot. वो वापस पाकिस्तान गया and then because of Fakhar Zaman introducing him to the right people, he made it. And I'm like, so MS Dhoni has caused this. What do Thala fans have to say about this?
I just want to say that Thala has transcended nationality. I'm a hard Thala fan. Okay, like
Dude, he's my favorite cricketer of all time. Okay,
Yeah,
he's
so
like genuinely. Huh.
like after Dhoni started playing, all my cricket bats now are round at the bottom. I don't believe in the duckbill profile anymore. I've gone
Ah.
traditional profile on my bat and all.
Oh shit, dude! I didn't know that makes a difference and all.
It's a huge thing. So basically, the reason he went round old school is
Hmm.
because when you bottom the ball, your
Hmm.
bat doesn't break often because he's a grassroots guy, na bro.
Ha ha
So
ha.
you don't break your bat very often. The gap between that marginal gap between
Hmm.
the corner of the bat and the ground also becomes zero when your bat is
Hmm.
curved. So you get the ball literally off the ground.
Interesting.
If you're a-
मतलब also
if-
balance वगैरह का कुछ तो होगा उसमें. हाँ.
Unbelievable balance. You have to try Mahendra Singh Dhoni's bat. It's the best balance I've seen on a bat since Sachin Tendulkar's bat. But
Yeah,
for
yeah,
Sachin
yeah.
Tendulkar's bat, you need Sachin Tendulkar's heart and his forearm.
Also his strength, boss. Like
Yeah.
भाई ये तो बड़े क्रिकेटर्स मतलब मैथ्यू हेडन वगैरह बोल रहे थे कि भाई we picked up his bat and we're like this is a lot and you're like you don't understand how strong these fuckers are, man. Like Sachin Tendulkar is a strong guy, boss.
For Sachin Tendulkar's bat, if you just play 5 overs with, you will understand with that weight, you will understand what his forearms were. They were like steel forearms. Also, that's my favorite tale. No, like everybody said, why do you use a heavier bat? And he said, यार पहली bat मैं मेरे भाई की use करता था, उसी की आदत पड़ गई तो फिर I didn't want to change it. मैं रोता हूँ हमेशा जब मैं ये बात सोचता हूँ.
Huh. Yeah, dude, his brother was like and his brother
Yeah.
also good looking guy, man, with great hair, which I always like. Rohit Sharma
Yeah.
standing next to Wasim Akram, Indian standing
Yeah.
next to Pakistani. Let's protest.
Let us protest because the only people who are not shaking hands are the cricketers. Everybody else
Yeah.
is just hanging out.
Yeah, everybody's chilling.
Yeah.
I mean, okay, so Hussein, I have to ask you this, okay? Manzrekar, our friend Manzrekar.
Yeah,
उसने
Manzrekar.
बोला कि भाई तुम अगर मैच खेल रहे हो तो you shake hands, you don't have to do silly things like this, ठीक है?
Yeah.
And I kind of agree. I think at the time when the last match happened, I completely get the sentiments of the public. It's
Correct.
been a while, right? And I think like I think tactically it is a bad decision because तुम opposition को वैसे भी कुछ motivation दे रहे हो बेकार में. So I
Correct.
feel now it's reached a point where it's like tactically just shake hands to settle things down and announce it yourself before somebody forces you to do it.
But let me tell you that very strangely, we are saying this is a very correct move and all. In politics, when two opposing nations meet in a world summit, which used to happen correctly up till 10 years ago, अब तो ऐसे ही ट्रम्प जाके खुद का प्रेजेंटेशन दे देता है. But I'm saying कि you have to shake hands. उसमें कुछ
Correct.
नहीं है. ब्रो अभी मैं अगर वो रन भाग रहा है और बीच में बॉलर आ गया और लोग टकरा गए तो लोग एक दूसरे को स्टेयर डाउन देंगे या सॉरी बोलेंगे.
Correct, वही है. But it is such a great point you've made, okay? Because in my head जब ये सब चालू हुआ, I'm like भाई ये सारा एशिया कप करवाने के लिए 150% closed door meetings have happened जहां ये लोग मिले हुए हैं और इन्होंने हाथ मिलाया होगा, हग भी किया होगा, पर पब्लिक में नहीं कर सकते, which is bullshit. So I'm like either don't play or play like how you're supposed to play. And also I feel more than that तुम्हें जीतना है मैच, ठीक है? तुम्हें जीतना है तो तुम्हें opposition को कुछ excuse नहीं देना है motivation करने के लिए. Don't give them
Exactly.
any reason to get worked up about it. Shake hands, आराम से जीतो. That's what my feeling is. I don't know.
Also ये लोग फिल्में नहीं देखते क्या? स्वैग तो हाथ मिला के हराने में है ना.
Correct.
यार
Correct.
तारिक आ चुका है.
तारिक आ गया फाइनली. 10 ओवर के बाद ही बुलाते हैं इसको.
तारिक के पहले बॉल पे चौका मार दिया है सूर्य कुमार यादव ने. If you really want to do something fun, I would have hugged him at toss
हाँ.
and said something really terrible in his ear. This Surya Kumar Yadav is really reading our man well, हाँ तारिक?
Yeah. बॉस इन लोगों ने बहुत प्रैक्टिस भी की थी ना इसके बारे में. Dude, super placement, boss.
Outstanding.
Dude, can you imagine Pakistani fielders fielding like this?
Boss, I'm telling you, Babar Azam is like a world-class fielder, and as much as I want to disagree with it, I feel like he's too good.
भाई उस्मान तारिक का इंग्लिश सुना है, he won't believe he's Pakistani. I mean, look, you could apply the same logic to even like Wasim Akram. I'm sure he speaks well.
Yeah.
Or even Shravatha. Yes, huh. I've not heard it, but you've heard it about Hussein.
No. He's good. He's decent. He's decent. Matlab, problem is also now we are also mean, na? So
Correct.
we think everybody speaks like Rizwan. Actually, Aga is better than Rizwan also.
Huh, correct. Aga is very good.
Yeah. Compared to Aga is still going to fail the ICSE exam in Bombay if he has to give it.
ये एक और बैरोमीटर है क्रिकेट एक्सेलेंस के लिए. क्या तुम
Yeah.
आईसीएससी का इंग्लिश पेपर क्रैक कर सकते हो?
No, so Aga will still fail that paper, but he's
Yeah.
not Rizwan. He's not yes is a 2.
Not bad. We've taken him for 16 and 2 overs. Decent
Yeah.
only.
quiet 8 runs and over he's giving. Quiet 8 runs.
हाँ. Dude, but one of these Pakistani commentators जो क्रिकेट वाले commentator जो भी होते हैं, तो this guy said कि I have no problem कि मोहम्मद रिजवान को इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आता. I have a problem with him making no sense when he talks. That's actually a better feedback. I was like, yes.
Yeah,
कि तुम बोलो जिस भी भाषा में तुम comfortable हो बोलो. पर he's like उसके एक भी इंटरव्यू में मुझे कोई कभी चाहे वो हिंदी में बोल रहा है, उर्दू में बोल रहा है, किसी में भी बोल रहा है, he doesn't make sense. And I'm like, that is such a sensible reply.
No, I like that. I appreciate the fact that somebody said कि बॉस हमें सेंस भी चाहिए, सिर्फ
हाँ.
हमको ग्रामर नहीं चाहिए.
Correct.
I wish somebody told शशि थरूर that कि दादा देखो लैंग्वेज तो ठीक थी, बात अच्छी नहीं लगी.
बहुत इंप्रेसिव है जो आपने बोला, पर क्या बोला?
क्या बोला भाई? शादाब ने मिसफील्ड करके ट्रेडिशन को जिंदा रखा है पाकिस्तान के.
अरे dude, best fielder in the Pakistan side has misfielded. Mohammad Nawaz cannot believe his eyes.
Yeah,
Like ऐसा कैसे हुआ मेरे साथ? चलो तिलक वर्मा is out. LBW to Saim Ayub. Very big struggle knock boss. 25-24. I thought he'll accelerate. But अभी आएगा हमारा spinner के alert तो anything could happen right now.
Yeah.
8.79 चल रहा है क्या अपना run rate?
साहब बहुत धीमे चल रही है मामला.
हार्दिक आया क्या? Crazy. Wow, right combo. Insane. क्या
पहले
लगता है
बॉल
तेरे
पे
को?
उसने उड़ा दिया है स्टेडियम के अंदर ही कैच. साइम अयूब इज ऑन अ हैट्रिक गाइस.
Oh, dude, weird experiment sending Hardik right now. भाई तुमने शिवन दुबे को इस रीजन के लिए लिया है ना स्क्वाड में. Why you bringing Hardik Pandya? You've got him as a buddy spinner killer. Why you bringing Hardik Pandya here? I don't understand. Like why you fucking? I don't understand this shit about like screwing around with the batting lineup for nonsensical reasons. एक तरफ तुम बोलते हो कि right left combination we should keep. And now randomly you got Hardik. I don't understand what sense this was. This is very nonsensical. Boss, ये hat trick हो जाए तो this would be the craziest, like one of the craziest moments in India-Pakistan cricket history.
I mean,
Or
I
if
can't-
Shivam Dube hits him for a 6, that would be the craziest thing actually.
That's also, but I'm saying he should not think of hitting a 6 right now.
I agree with you, but I don't know what we are thinking right now.
Oh my God, he's got him.
Oh,
What a ball!
what
What
a ball.
What a ball!
Crazy boss. Saim Ayub, insane bowling, brother. Really insane bowling. बस ये सब उस्मान तारिक की तैयारी कर रहे थे हम लोग. साइम अयूब आके हैट्रिक लेने वाला है क्या अपने साथ? पर रिव्यू लिया है राइट?
रिव्यू लिया है और एज तो नहीं है.
चलो फिर कुछ नहीं है. Then it's
It
fine.
was just too perfect to get a wicket.
What a ball, boss.
What a ball!
What a ball.
What a
Insane.
what a ball.
Crazy. First of all, stupid batting by India in the last ball before this, but again,
Yeah.
Saim Ayub superb.
Agreed.
Great bowling by Saim Ayub. 3 for 25 in 4 overs in India-Pakistan game as an all-rounder who opens the batting for Pakistan.
That's pretty world
Insane.
class on a career stat. And
Yeah,
I have to give it to
insane.
the Pakistani cricket board for sticking with him because he was going through the worst patch last year. And everyone was like, अरे इसको निकाल दो, ये काम का नहीं है, काम का नहीं है. But वो काम का है. मतलब इसने अगर 10 रन भी बना दिए तो ये most contributor of the game होएगा पाकिस्तान की तरफ से. 25 रन में 3 विकेट लेकर ये करके.
Public क्या बोलती है? What do you think? 100 PBR 316 से 180 to 200 बॉस चांस ही नहीं है भाई.
कौन सा मैच देख रहा है?
180 के लिए 44 runs are required in actually it's possible. It's just unlikely.
40 for 10 रन तो मार सकते. चल 180 में मानता हूँ. 200 हो गया तो कमाल ही हो जाएगा. आ गया तारिक. Nonsense.
197 says they should lock GG in a room during the match so he cannot change the batting order.
I feel you should lock GG not during a match, between matches also. I am not a fan of GG at all. I think GG should be locked up. Only let him out when there is no cricket being played.
just log him permanent. But also the thing is, it's so weird. Like even if we win, we'll be like, we still congratulations. But
Yeah.
and I actually still think he's a very good white ball coach. But also he's inherited. I think ये हमने पहले भी discuss किया था इस stream पे. He's inherited a team that is like so good कि तुम किसी को भी खिला दो. तुम सैमसंग को
अरे.
खिलाओ, इसको खिलाओ, हो जाएगा.
He's the exact opposite of Jose Mourinho. Jose Mourinho makes a bad team good. He's making a great team troubled.
भाई ईशान किशन नहीं होता, we would be destroyed right now.
No, right now somewhere out there, Ishan Kishan is sitting with Gautam Gambhir saying, "तू ध्यान दे काम पे."
I think 170 तो चाहिए भाई, 170 तो चाहिए.
करेक्ट चाहिए. 170 तो होगा भी, हो भी जाएगा भाई. देखो अपने पास है एग्जैक्टली 21 बॉल. 21 बॉल में हम लोग 33 रन नहीं मारेंगे. नहीं भी मार सकते हैं. ठीक है, इस शॉट को देख के लग रहा है नहीं भी मार सकते.
like, but Shivam Dube has no timing right now. He has absolutely no timing.
Shivam Dube is playing like me.
Yeah, 147 for 4. भाई अभी लिटरली मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि वरुण चक्रवर्ती को कम से कम 3 विकेट लेने, 2 विकेट लेने पड़ेंगे. इज दैट अ 6? प्लीज टेल मी इट्स अ 6. चलो, स्पिन किलर इज हियर फाइनली. स्पिन किलर इज हियर. शिवम दुबे हैज अराइव्ड ऑन द क्रीज. एक बहुत ही मशहूर छक्का मार के. क्या शॉट 6 मारा क्या? Oh, lovely shot. Using the feet against Usman Tariq, not bad at all. Dude, using the feet against Usman Tariq is actually very tough because you last minute अपना change कर देता है. Superb shot. Shivam Dube is doing what Sky is not being able to do right now, honestly. Sky is on 32. It's a bit slow. क्या लग रहा है? बोल यार, please बता तू मुझे क्या लग रहा है तुझे?
बहुत टाइट सीन है यार. मतलब the ball is turning so much, they are mistiming things so much. It's looking very, I don't know यार.
भाई
पहली बार
सूर्य
इंडिया-
कुमार यादव has tried the same shot about 6 times now.
Yeah,
He has tried the same fucking shot 6 times.
in 5 balls. Yeah, but yeah. अभी मैं तो ये सुना है कि उस्मान तारिक के एक्शन की वजह से ओवर रेट स्लो हो गया है लोग. So 6 चलो एक. Oh no, oh he's gone. So Surya is gone.
इन दो लोग ने चार विकेट लिए 49 रन देके 8 ओवर में. एंड द सरप्राइजिंग थिंग इज दैट नन ऑफ देम इज अबरार अहमद. साइम
Yeah.
प्लस उस्मान तारिक इज क्रेजी बॉस.
Saim is also very good. बहुत अच्छा वो उसका जो प्रॉपर ऑफ स्पिन निकलता है यार. एंड फ्लाइट की वजह से ना वो डिसेप्टिव है बहुत.
लास्ट ओवर
बट काफी टाइट. दिस इज द लास्ट ओवर यार. ओनली 159 ऑन द बोर्ड. एक्चुअली जब ईशान किशन था, इनफैक्ट जब आउट भी हुआ था, ऐसा लग रहा था कि 200, 210, 220 तक जाएगा. बट बाद में एकदम ही पुल बैक कर लिया यार ये लोग ने. क्यों भागे भाई, क्यों भाग रहे हैं?
आउट हो गया.
आउट. नहीं आई थिंक ही मेड इट. अच्छा, ही इज गिवन आउट. भड़क गया यार शिवम दुबे यार.
नहीं, बट दैट वाज स्टूपिड मैन. रिंकू सिंह क्या ट्राई कर रहे हैं?
कुछ जरूरत नहीं था.
बट चलो 179 इज रिस्पेक्टेबल.
Yeah. And
अभी
defendable.
तक.
Yeah, they have enough. See, we अपना ऐसा नहीं है कि बॉलिंग खराब है ना. अपना बॉलिंग भी अच्छा ही है. इतना कुछ इश्यू नहीं है वैसे तो. अरे अक्षर पटेल मारा यार लास्ट बॉल. नहीं, आउट हो गया यार. आउट हो गया. Oh man, this is so anticlimactic. Last का 5 overs. Saibzada Farhan and Saeem Ayub is opening. I didn't know about this. Okay. I have
Saeem
not
Ayub
seen.
always opens, bro.
Yeah, because I have not seen Pakistan bat in this tournament. Proper game on है भाई आज तो. मतलब यूजुअली कैसा होता है कि आफ्टर लाइक इन एवरी इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच, यूजुअली आफ्टर द फर्स्ट इनिंग्स आपको समझ में आता है कि इंडिया इज आगे ही है. इट इज जस्ट अबाउट फिनिशिंग द मैच. बट दिस वन लुक्स वेरी टफ नाउ. Hey, the ball is up in the air. Okay, I think we might gone. First wicket.
भाई, तुम
Let's
लोग आगे हो.
go. Let's go.
Dude, I knew Pandya would do this.
Yes. Why big?
You know why? Because I knew कि वो bounces से wicket निकालेगा. Because इस pitch पे अभी तक the only person who's capable of getting bounces is actually Pandya.
हाँ,
शाहीन शाह
हाँ,
अफरीदी इतने bounces डालता नहीं है. Dude, super. What a start. Hardik
Yeah.
Pandya, love you. Hardik Pandya, wicket.
Yes.
Saibzada
Let's
Farhan,
go.
goodbye. Babar Azam here. India on top. Now we are winning 63%.
Yes, let's go. Oh,
Like
Bumrah
this.
is here.
There you go.
Arey, the ball is again in the air, but I think it will. Oh shit! Yeah, 6 gaya. He's gone. I think
Whee!
plumb LBW है ये.
इससे ज्यादा प्लम तो मतलब पेड़ पे नहीं उगते भाई.
अरे
Oh, Bumrah is doing the look on Saim Ayub, dude. He did the look.
Yeah.
He did the look, dude. अभी
Bumrah
इसके
always
बारे
does.
में अभी इसके बारे में 8 लाख मीम्स बनने वाले. This is literally the petty
Yes.
shit, dude. The 8 lakh meme look.
हाँ यार.
But crazy, what a start. 6 for
Yes.
2, brother. हम लोग तो
Ideal.
हमारी तो we didn't believe in the Indian side.
हाँ.
But we should always believe in the Indian side.
Yeah,
अभी
I always
अभी
believe.
140 भी नहीं बनेंगे. We are the greatest team in the world.
Yeah. अरे भाई मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ यार. बुमराह has to bowl in the power play.
Oh, dude, Babar is trying to go for it, boss.
Yeah. But great fielding. Amir Rinku at it again.
कौन है?
अमीर रिंकू. ये आपको मालूम है अमीर रिंकू गरीब रिंकू वाला कंसेप्ट?
नहीं, ये क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है?
ऐसा बोलते हैं कि जब से मतलब जब रिंकू गरीब था तब बोलते हैं बहुत अच्छा खेलता था, और अभी अमीर है तो इतना अच्छा नहीं खेलता. अमीर रिंकू गरीब रिंकू.
That is damn funny, dude. That is like such bullshit and so funny.
बोल रहे कि जैसा उसने नए घर का पेपर पे साइन वाइन कर लिया, अग्रीमेंट बना लिया, उसका फॉर्म ड्रॉप हो गया.
Like वो साइन कर रहा है और उसके हाथ से बैट गिर रहा है. He's like shit. जितना भी प्रॉपर्टी वो खरीदता है उसका एक शॉट निकल जाता है. कवर ड्राइव इज गॉन बिकॉज़ ही बॉट 3 houses.
बट अभी वो वापस अच्छा खेल रहा है यार, तो अभी वो खत्म हो गया मीम ट्रेंड. बट जेन्युइनली मेरे को अच्छा लगता है रिंकू जैसे लोग जब उनको मिलता है इतना बड़ा शीश पे खेलने के लिए.
भाई मेरा फेवरेट वीडियो ऑफ रिंकू सिंह इज ये आईपीएल के टाइम पे वेंकटेश अय्यर का एक नया बैट है, ठीक है,
हाँ.
और वेंकटेश बोलता है एंड ऋग्वेद लाइक अरे नया बैट लाया है वेंकटेश लाइक हाँ नया बैट लाया मैं अच्छी तरह होता अरे खोल आई लाइक अरे नहीं नहीं अभी ऐसे मत खोल अरे खोलना है यार जस्ट ओपन्स द बैट यू कैन सी वेंकटेश अय्यर ऑल हिज ड्रीम्स लाइक कि मैं बैट को खोलूंगा अनबॉक्सिंग
अरे यार।
करूंगा ऑल ऑफ इट फेल्ड बिकॉज़ ऋग्वेद लाइक हैट रही में खोल रहा है
Hey, the ball is up in the air again. Hardik Pandya under the ball. He's out. He's out.
insane dude
Yes.
insane what is happening
भाई इतना सिंपल सोल्यूशन था यार अपने पास हर मैच के लिए कि बुमराह को खिलाओ ऊपर खत्म करो यार और टॉप ऑर्डर खत्म कर दो उधर ही
crazy 13 for 3 brother और बुमराह is not even celebrating he's like
हाँ।
okay मेरे को 5 leg पे जा रहा है he's like I don't give a shit ये तो
Yes.
बहुत expected था and Bhungu has a great comment about Sahibzada Farhan where he said documentary आएगी अब 14 for 3 in 14 balls insane तो मतलब जनरली इसका ये मतलब है कि अभी इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में ईशान किशन का जो नॉक था इज अ
Yes.
क्रेजी नॉक
या
तो एक बंदे ने बिल्कुल सही बोला यहाँ पर कि ही सेड ये वेरी स्टूपिड क्रिकेट आई कंप्लीटली अग्री वेरी स्टूपिड क्रिकेट बॉस बुमराह बॉलिंग डाल रहा है तुम काय को पागल हो रहे
हाँ वो
हो
भी
रिलैक्स एंड प्ले नो इट्स जस्ट विद बुमराह
या
like I completely 100% agree what bowling boss insane
वही तो
25 for 3 in 4 overs crazy start
आई थिंक यार
Crazy.
बुमराह खुन्नस में डाल रहा है कि अभी तुम लोग मत दो मेरे को अगले बार से पावर प्ले देखता हूँ मैं कैसा नहीं देता तुम लोग पावर प्ले में
हाँ।
तो 2 ओवर अक्षर इज चलो अक्षर इज ऑन
हाँ अक्षर का तो एक्सपेक्टेड था पर भी देखते हैं ये लोग इसको कैसे खेलेंगे
बोल्ड ही इज गॉन
hilarious बड़ा बोला
चलो
Akshar
भाई
Patel with
खत्म
a new
करो भाई
celebration oh my god did you see Akshar doing
या पाकिस्तान का ना सब नया नया सेलिब्रेशन सब आता है भाई सेंड
हाँ।
ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन सब नया नया दिखता है मजा आता है
crazy बब्जी गया क्या
नहीं आई डोंट थिंक सो
हाँ बब्जी गया भाई
हाँ क्या
हाँ बब्जी
वाओ वाओ बिग विकेट वो मेरे को
बब्जी
stream इसके
is it a big cricket let's be honest
हाँ
it's
ठीक है
not.
यार मतलब सी जो भी है उनके लिए तो है भाई अभी कंपैरेटिवली इन दैट लाइनअप और क्या है Who
भाई
else
पर
is going to
his strike rate was 5 of 7 again
हाँ।
गुंडेती I have to ask you this question
हाँ
ये जो अभी उस्मान बैटिंग कर रहा है उसने ईशान किशन को धक्का लगाया व्हाट शुड द एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया डू अबाउट दिस
या मैन अभी क्या कर सकते हैं इंडिया में अलाउ नहीं करना चाहिए खेलने को और क्या उसको नहीं अलाउ
We will-
करना चाहिए
we will do what we are already doing but we'll say you
Yeah.
again
Yeah, और क्या शादाब का यार एक्सेलरेशन 66 है तो शादाब कितना माइलेज देता रहेगा फिर ये क्या है क्या नॉनसेंस है यार एक्सेलरेशन क्या होता है
बैटिंग के पहले वो पेट्रोल पी रहा है साइड में फिर कोई उसका पिछवाड़ा चेक कर रहा है
हाँ।
सर बम्पर में चोट आई है सर
अरे बम्पर नहीं बम पे आई है
then he's having CNG grass and all
हाँ ओ आई थिंक इज गॉन नहीं 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 यार बहुत अच्छा बॉल था यार ये
अरे
जरा हाइट
ऊपर
हाइट था आई
जाना।
थिंक चलो पावर प्ले
But,
खत्म बाय द वे
तुझे क्या लगा इसको अर्शदीप को ड्रॉप करने का व्हाट डिड यू थिंक ऑफ दिस
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है
हाँ।
आज के दिन कर सकते हैं आज का
Correct.
पिच ही वैसा एकदम स्पिनर फ्रेंडली है तो और किसी को करेंगे ना ड्रॉप वो भी बात है यू कैन ड्रॉप
Yeah.
बुमराह फॉर दिस मैच वी नीडेड हिम तो अगर किसी पेसर को करना है तो इट्स फाइन यार दे हैव टू गो
हाँ।
आफ्टर अ बॉलर ठीक है वो अभी तो
हाँ।
बुमराह क्या ऊपर नहीं आ सकते वरुण चक्रवर्ती इज वेरी रिस्की दे विल ट्राई टू गो आफ्टर अक्षर पटेल देखा 4 गया यार वापस दे ट्राई टू गो आफ्टर दिस गाय
ये तो एक्सपेक्टेड था यार कि अक्सर को थोड़ा तो करेंगे ये लोग यू आर राइट
ठीक है थोड़ा सा ये लोग अभी थोड़ा सा मारने चालू कर दिए बट दे डोंट हैव मोर विकेट्स सो दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्क आगे जाके वो तो है बहुत ज्यादा विकेट फेंक दिया है ये लोग ने स्टार्टिंग में
आई थिंक
उस्मान
ऑनेस्टली
मार रहा है
अगर उस्मान ये कुछ क्रेजी नॉक अगर खेले I mean it would be one of the best knocks and he's by the way batting decently right now 39 of 28 is decent not bad पर फिर भी इनको कितना चाहिए अभी रन रेट दे रिक्वायर इज
110 चाहिए ना 68 में तो ऑलमोस्ट 10 तो चाहिए 10 के ऊपर चाहिए यार
अभी विन प्रोबेबिलिटी सिंह पाकिस्तान 16.36 इंडिया 83.64
या बराबर ही है
Hey, he's got him अरे अक्षर पटेल has got him it's the end of the game boss चांस ही नहीं है अभी तो
बापू
क्या
गेटिंग
चांस ही
जिंदा
नहीं है रे
नहीं है भाई इनका पाकिस्तान यार अच्छी टीम हो गई है पहले से बट इंडिया इज जस्ट टू फकिंग गुड डूड
Dude, and this is when you realize you don't know anything about cricket. I was like, why are they bowling him one more over? He's taken a wicket and bowled like 4 runs in this over.
yeah no you got to finish him man like it's dude but Usman Tariq well played yeah I was very disappointed dude Pakistan just like a shit show like they don't even know how to put on a show man like what is this scorecard is this like a India USA match
This is some real stupid fielding by Shivam Dubey, who's fielding inside for no reason and missed the ball completely. That's some really stupid fielding.
Yeah.
Dude,
Where is he
Jadeja
playing?
again
Yeah.
proving that I know nothing about cricket because I said why Shivam Dube fielding inside. Next ball he's caught in that exact position.
Yeah.
Kuldeep takes a wicket with a direct ball. 78 for 6 balls. This is
Oh
crazy.
my God.
Tilak
हाँ,
Verma has come into ball
एक और
and has taken a
गया,
wicket.
एक और गया भाई. Tilak
What is happening,
Verma
dude?
is now अभी तो
This is like embarrassing now. This is like Tilak Verma first ball is like got a World Cup bowling average of infinity.
now get Rinku Singh also to bowl the next over. एक और
Tilak
out.
Verma has taken 2 wickets. That is
I
insane.
caught
Arey, our own bowling he dropped it, dude.
Cotton bowled होता था.
He dropped it on his own bowling.
He should have just let Surya go for it. I think Surya was next to him. What the fuck? एक तो this cotton bowled shouldn't have been as caught and bowled by Tilak. It should have been caught and bowled, like you know how you show a normal catch. It was so
yeah,
far.
yeah,
away.
yeah. He just went
But
for it
it's a
for no
tough
fucking
one.
reason.
It's a tough one, dude. It's a tough one.
No, but there is another fielder right there. Just let him go for it.
Let him go for it. Yeah, seriously, he would have reached.
Sure,
गया
some of
क्या?
that
एक
fun,
और गया, एक और गया. चलो, I think.
Not a 7 for 8, guys. Crazy. Out.
They were out.
Dude,
Like,
this is
sorry,
great.
like-
Abrar Ahmad deceived by Varun Chakravarti in the kind of bowling he does.
yeah.
97 for 9. Okay. For this is the controversy that happened. India Rising Stars versus Pakistan Rising Stars. Facing Gul Rukh, Vrinda played a defensive shot, but the ball trickled back into her stumps. Vrinda used her instincts to nudge the ball away with her bat so that the ball couldn't hit the wickets. Yusra Amir, the Pakistan wicketkeeper, however, denied Vrinda from doing so by obstructing the ball with her gloves. Vrinda then got into a heated argument with Yusra. Replays though show that Amir's glove had touched Vrinda's bat, which eventually prevented the nudge. Vrinda was eventually given not out.
Oh, dude, I want to watch
That
the
is
highlights of this.
crazy. I'm like, do you not know the rules of cricket? You're allowed to do that. You
Yeah,
can't stop
dude.
somebody physically from pushing the ball away from the stumps.
He must have thought this is a new loophole, like obstructing the bat from obstructing the wicket, like something like that. She must have thought a new law.
And she's like,
in the
I
books.
will enforce. I am MCC now.
Yeah.
Rinku Singh is here to bowl that. Dude, this is like
Arey.
insulting now, yeah.
Yeah,
This
dude.
is like, ye le muh mein
Someone
jata.
should
I
but
enjoy.
bowl like slowly to Rinku Singh. Nice. Chalo.
But also, I mean, you're really grossly underestimating Shaheen Shah Afridi, boss. He can bat.
He can bat, yeah. Well, this is good to see. Fuck, I was making a joke that these people will get Rinku Singh to bowl. I didn't. I want someone to wait and play Usman Tariq and bowl to Usman like the way he bowls.
Pandya's here.
Nice shot, dude. Is that out?
Who Afridi?
ओए कुलदीप
Drop किया
अरे
क्या?
गाली खा रहा है गाली दोनों को गाली दिया उसने
मैं भाई इतना क्यों
Shaheen को
पीछे
भी
है?
दिया what was that why did he point at Shaheen and then Kuldeep what did he say
Oh,
Dude,
he's
that
gone.
was-
And that's the end of the game, bro.
that's the
And
end
also proves why Shaheen Shah Afridi was not giving the strike to Usman Tariq, which is like he doesn't know how to bat at all. That is one of the most tail-ender shots I've seen in a long time, dude.
yeah
But then again, after seeing how they played, I was like,
No,
okay,
no.
maybe don't shake anybody. there.
Pakistan has
But then
no
did you see?
comparison.
Did you see what they did? They couldn't shake hands with Pakistani, so they're shaking their own team staff's hands and walking up the ground. 11 लोग का लाइनअप करके like a good जाओ they hugging each other like bro this is yeah. If you enjoyed that, join me on Dream 11 for more cricket streams and watch alongs. It'll be fun.